Hi friend, my name is Shrikant and you watching review YouTube channel. Welcome my YouTube channel. Today I am taking about Realme Narzo 20 Pro 6GB RAM 64GB ROM. If you new my video, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget press the bell icon. Let's start the video. Introducing Realme Narzo 20 Pro 2 colors brand black Narzo white night. 65W SuperDart Charge. Helio G95 gaming processor, 90Hz ultra smooth display, 16.51 cm, 6.5 inch Full HD Plus display, 48MP AI quad camera. 65W SuperDart Charge. The Realme Narzo 20 Pro features a massive 4500 mAh battery which with the help of superfast 65W charge goes from 0 to 100 in just about 38 minutes. Helio G95 gaming processor with 8 cores and a clock speed of up to 2.05 GHz. The Helio G95 gaming processor runs even heavy games smoothie and helps in multitasking without any lag. Carbon fiber cooling system. Equipped with a cutting-edge cooling system that delivers an 8.6% increase in cooling performance, the Realme Narzo 20 Pro ensures that you keep performing at full speed. 90Hz ultra smooth display. The 90Hz display with an FHD Plus resolution lets you be completely immersed whether you're gaming or performing everyday tasks. 48MP AI quad camera. A powerful 48MP quad camera, which comes with a 48MP primary lens, 119 degrees ultra wide angle lens, portrait lens, and a 4 cm macro lens, lets you click truly stunning pictures from different perspectives. 16MP Sony front camera. Click gorgeous selfies of yourself and your friends or unlock your phone in a jiggy with the 16MP Sony in-display selfie camera. Super Nightscape. HDR and multi-frame compositing algorithms ensure that even the pictures you click at night will be clear and beautiful. Side fingerprint sensor. With the fingerprint unlock present on the side power button, you can now unlock your phone quickly and easily. It's available on two categories: 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM, expandable up to 256GB, and 8GB RAM, 128 ROM, expandable up to 256GB. Price $14,999 and $16,999.